Hello, this is Martin from SmartSafe. Today we will talk about the wheel liner. Believe you meet such a situation. For example, the workshop, a small workshop, which only has 2 post lifts, but he also wants to do the wheel alignment business. What I can do. And the second, a big workshop with many car lifts. But at this moment, this workplace which is used for wheel liner is work to other maintenance. But one client hope you can do the wheel alignment right now. What you can do? Okay, today we will talk about our SmartSafe WA861 PRO for this one. This one can solve these problems. The features of this wheel liner. The first one is the beam can automatically trace the target. Up and down can be automatically, and the column is fixed on the cabinet. So in this case, you can move this wheel liner to any workplace to do wheel alignment. And the third, the database is used of all the data is from all the data. It has more than 50,000 car models. So in this case, you can do every car here in your market. And the third, we have the compensation for this wheel liner. For example, the car lift, 2 sides not in the same level. For example, like this, but we can compensate it, and it will not affect the test result. So in this case, this is the most features of this wheel liner. The most degree could be reached to 15 degrees. Okay. So next time, I will operate the wheel liner to show you how this wheel liner could be used. Okay. First we will install the target. Okay. Here are 4 targets. This one is for the front right, and this one is for the rear right. Okay, we will install the target first. When you install the target first, for example, you must pay attention to it here. If this pin and this pin should be the same position, this one should be the here, the same, and for same situation for others as well. Okay. Okay, let's install the target. Okay. Okay, here. This is one type of target. The clamps we have. The other one we have is the hugger to hug the tire surface. It will not harm the wheel. Okay, so I think you know. Okay, here. Okay, this one here. Keep this target straight to the ground. Okay. Okay. 2 small tips. One is when you install all the clamps, you just ensure the chuck will stop the wheel, the rear wheel. Okay, here just keep it stopped. And the second, lock the turntable. Okay, and put this one here. It is very good for you to do the wheel alignment. Another, the distance between the front of the car and the cabinet. Usually we will set it about 1.5 meters or 3 feet. It's okay, and in this distance is okay. Okay, next up we will talk about the software. Here is our software. First one, here just click here, and here is choose the database. Here you can see this one is the frequent which you, for example, in the market there are many BMW, you will use it and it will say here, and here is from the car from China, this is for European, and here is for data. Usually I suggest you can choose this one because it covers almost all the car models. Okay, here just you can quick search the car brand. Here you can just quick search for the car model. For example, this one is Toyota Corolla. Okay, we can just type here. Okay, it will be quick search. Okay, for example here, and we search this one. Okay, we go to the next step. Here is the target monitor. Okay, when you get into this page, the beam will trace the target automatically, and it will adjust the height of the beam automatically according to the column. Okay, you can see here the camera. When everything is okay, the light will be green. And here in this page, you can see there are 4 targets here. This 2 is the front, this 2 is the rear. And I would like to explain those data. This, and this are exposure, and this one, this, and this is based 21 points of the targets. It must be 21 points. Okay, and for this one, this is the angle of the beam. Okay. Here, if the light is not so good, you can just set the exposure time here. Usually we will choose the automatic one, and you can set the manual one. Okay, just input the data to make it more light, and just save it, and it will be okay. For this button, this is by press this one, it can be up, okay, and this is down. This one is the automatic one. Okay, right here also we will check whether the surround of this wheel element is good or not. For example, if there is a strong light, it means you cannot do it. And also if there is a reflected light from the car, and there you can see something on it, it also will affect the test result. So from this page, we will check the test surrounding of this wheel element. Okay. After this, we will go to the next step. Here is the rolling run out compensation. Okay. In this case, we just go back and push the car. Okay, here. First, we will make this one about 10 centimeter to 12 centimeter. Okay. Here, first we will move the car back. Okay. Slowly, and you can see the target. It will show you. Okay. After this, we will just push forward. Okay, here just stop the car and just stop it, target. Here you can see, here we test the camber, the data of the camber and the toe from the front wheels and the rear wheels. Okay, in this page, for example here, this is additional measurement. You can see the data of the wheel base and the wheel offset and the drag offset. Okay. Also you can print this data. Okay, out. Let's go back for here. Here is the graphic model. You can see the data, the test data of this here by in this way. This is the before adjustment, and here is the after adjustment. Okay. For this model, as I just explained, the beam could be trace the target automatically. When we lift up the car, the beam will be automatically up as well. And so some people will ask, how can we use this one to do wheel alignment with the two-post lift? This is our core technology. Here, by press this button, okay. Here, it means you can lift up the car. That means the data will test on the ground. It is locked. In this case, you can lift up the car, and when you lift to the right position, after you lift to the right position, you just unclock by press this button. By repress this button, okay, to unlock it. In this case, then you can adjust the car. Okay, in this way, we can use this wheel manner with two-post lift. This is our core technology. Okay. 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 Next step is the caster swing. Let's go to the next step. Okay. Here is the caster swing. Okay, after we unlock the turntable, we need to lock the brake. Okay. Yeah. In this case, we just unlock the brake. Lock the brake. Okay. Here, then we will turn the steering wheel. Okay. First we turn to the left, and then we turn to the right. The max degree you can turn is around 30 degrees. So everything I think is enough. Okay, here we back to the central. Okay. Okay, here it is battery. Okay, then here it shows the front wheel, the data of the front wheel. And go to the next step. It covers all the data we test, including the caster, the SAI camber toe for the front wheel, and camber toe for the rear wheel. Also the thrust angle. Okay. Here also, because some people will do the caster, but some will not. So after you do the caster swing, also if you want to use the two-post lift, just press this button to lock the data. The data are all tested on the ground, and then lift up the car. When you lift up to the right position, the height, and then just unlock it. At this time, you can adjust the car. Okay. After you adjust the car, finish the test, and here is just some information. For example, the number. Okay, we will just tap. For example, and the VIN code. Okay, VIN code of this car, and client name. For example, Jack. Okay, manage. Okay, Toyota Corolla. Years, for example, we choose the here. The year, you know that it is the car's year. Okay, operator, for example, it is Mike. And here you can see you found the problems of when we do this alignment. Here, just for example, the tire way, and you just okay, for example, and also you can write some additional notes. For example, you found other problems of this car, just write it. Okay, here is the data. So this one is the before adjustment. This are the standard data. Here is the after adjustment data. After that, you can save it or you can print it. We have the printer here. Okay, so we just save it. Okay, it is saved successfully, and you can find the printer. Okay, the database here we just set. Okay, here's the report we just make. Okay, here is, and also you can print it here from here. Okay, okay, thank you. Here is all the instruction about wheel nano, which can work with almost all post lift, including two post lift. The beam can trace the target automatically, and the whole wheel nano could be moved to different workplace to wheel dynamics. Hope this can help you. Okay, thank you. This is Martin from SmartSafe. Thank you.